In today's video, I'm going to teach you Yaballe versus AutoDS 2026. Which one is better? We'll compare what each platform does best, who should use which, and how to think about your decision based on the channels you sell on and the scale you're aiming for. Let's start with AutoDS. Think of it as a full all-in-one automation hub designed to simplify a multi-platform dropshipping business. It supports major marketplaces and storefronts like Shopify, Amazon, and Walmart, and ties the core tasks together in one place. You can import products quickly, automate order fulfillment, and keep prices and stock synced without juggling separate tools. That unified workflow is a big deal if you want a hands-off setup that can grow across different suppliers and platforms. It's also beginner-friendly. The interface is straightforward, the setup process is guided, and you don't need deep technical know-how to start automating. If your plan is to test products across channels, consolidate reporting, and minimize manual work as you scale, AutoDS makes that path smoother by centralizing everything you need. Now, let's look at Yaballe. This platform is deliberately specialized, with a sharp focus on eBay dropshipping. It's built for precision and control, especially when managing a large eBay store. You get powerful listing optimization tools, real-time stock and price monitoring tuned to eBay's dynamics, and automation that can handle high-volume order processing. That means you can push thousands of orders a day with reliable fulfillment flows and responsive repricing to protect margins. If you're an advanced eBay seller, this depth matters. Yaballe gives you more granular control over titles, item specifics, and fulfillment choices, so you can fine-tune performance at scale rather than rely on broad, cross-platform settings. The trade-off is that it shines brightest when eBay is your main channel and you already understand the platform's best practices. So how do you choose? It comes down to flexibility versus specialization. If you're newer to dropshipping, or you want one system to manage multiple marketplaces and suppliers with minimal complexity, AutoDS is the practical, scalable choice. It helps you get moving quickly and keeps operations manageable as you expand beyond a single channel. If you're an experienced eBay dropshipper running or planning a large store, Yaballe's specialized toolset gives you the advanced control and high-volume automation that seasoned sellers rely on to compete. In short, pick AutoDS for simplicity and multi-platform growth, and pick Yaballe for deep, high-performance eBay operations. Choose the one that matches your sales channels today and the scale you want tomorrow.